it's Sam. So today I have a bathroom haul from H&M. So this is all like neutral decor for your bathroom. It is so cute. As soon as I saw this stuff, I was like, that's it, I'm ordering it. Because it's super duper, like almost like natural elements, but all very neutral. And I just think that they look absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna show you guys everything individually, and then I will show you guys what it looks like in the actual bathroom because it looks so nice. I will have everything linked down below, so if you guys check out the description box. So the very first thing I got are these gorgeous soap dispensers. These are so pretty, you guys. They have like a really pretty, like they look like natural stone that's just been like carved out of a rock. Like they're really, really cool. A lot of really nice texture. And just like, they just look nice. They look way more expensive than they are. They also have the matching little soap dish. I like to use these sometimes just to like hold my earrings and stuff, or like my rings when I'm going to be taking off my jewelry. But that is what it looks like. Of course, if you wanted to put a soap on, you could, but it's just like smooth on the surface, and then it looks like that on the side. They also have the little toothbrush holder as part of this collection, which I think is really nice because then you can just tie in the whole thing. And this again looks like that natural stone, like it's just like a rock. Just like you have a nice big old rock holding your toothbrushes. Okay, next is this gorgeous marble little dish. So this has a lid. It's really heavy, like this is legit. You can keep all your cotton pads, your Q-tips, whatever it is that you want to keep in here. But it's really, really beautiful, very heavy. So it's a really nice piece. That's what the top looks like. It's very beautiful. For the price, like you cannot go wrong, it's gorge. Okay, and then I got this gorgeous tray as well. So this is beautiful to hold your skincare. I'll show you how I've displayed it. But you could put your skincare on here. You could put your, your toothbrush holder, whatever else that you need to put on there. It's really, really nice. Again, very heavy, very beautiful for the price. I'm just so impressed. It's gorgeous colors too. It's kind of gray, but then there's a lot of like really nice beigey kind of warm tones in there as well. It's actually really, really pretty in person. Next is this cute little mirror. This is adorable, you guys. It looks really cute in the bathroom. Of course, you could have it on your vanity table if you want to. It's a little short, so just keep that in mind. But I personally have it in the bathroom. I just think it looks really pretty. It just makes it look like, oh, okay, this is the place where you would get ready. Or, you could always use it to like pluck your eyebrows, that kind of stuff. But it's just really cute. It's very chic. I'm trying to remember all the prices of everything, but I'll have everything linked down below. I just thought it was a cute little chic black mirror. Okay, so this is what everything looks like. Obviously, we used to have both mirrors on either side, but I took one of them because it had all my lights on it. I just need to get another mirror for the other side. So this technically would be here and there, but we're gonna ignore that, you guys. This is actually from Walmart. It's a really great mirror for such a good price. But I just wanted to show you like the vibes because obviously it's a nice neutral bathroom and these match so well. So I have my little soap dish over here and then the little dispenser, which I filled up with the I need to take off these labels, which I filled up with the Volcano Capri Blue soap. Oh, so yum. And then you've got your little mirror here. And then look how cute this little tray is. It looks so good. So I've just got like a cute little black reed diffuser in the back. I've got some toothpaste. This is the Moon toothpaste. It's just like nice and neutral. I've got some eye makeup remover, a Colleen Rothschild balancing gel cleanser, the little toothbrush dish, which looks fab. And then that's the little tray and the cotton pad holder. Isn't that so cute? And then over here, I have the other soap dispenser. So I got two of them. And then this is just a nice little body butter that's nice and neutral. So that is what that looks like. Obviously, it would look better if I had two mirrors, but for the point of being aesthetic right now, I didn't want to have one mirror here and then one over, like nothing over there, because that would look weird. But I really do feel like this just looks so pretty as a little setup. It's really cute. I'm not normally a gray person, if I'm honest, but something about this just looks really high end and like super nice. And it also ties together all the colors that I have for my products anyway. Really happy with these buys. I think they're really cute. And then I'll show you what is in the other bathroom. Okay, so here is this bathroom. So again, nice and neutral, but I got this little tray from H&M. So they have it shown on like a coffee table with like a cup of tea and some little yummies. But I thought it was the perfect little tray for in the bathroom. It's a nice neutral color. They also have it in white, and they have it in like almost like a yin yang design as well. I just really liked this one. So it just matches the soap dispenser so well that I have. So I actually got this in England at Asda Living. My aunt got it for me as a prezi. It's so cute. It's a lady, which I think is fab. And then I actually just got this at World Market. It's actually a plant pot, but it was $14.99. But the inside is like all nice and smooth. So I thought that's actually really cute as a toothbrush holder. For toothpaste, toothbrushes, because it's quite a good size. And it looks really nice on the inside too. It's like all shiny and smooth. And then I also got this little white tuberose reed diffuser. I think that was like 14 or maybe $16.99. I don't know, it was under $20. Smells amazing. It's such a nice like floral scent. So that's how I have that set up, which is really cute. I love that little tray. It just kind of like, I like the shape. It's very unique. I've never seen anything like that before. And I just love the color. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. I will have everything linked down below so you guys can check it all out. But yeah, definitely check these pieces out. If you're looking for a little bathroom upgrade and you want to do it on a budget and you want very neutral vibes, these pieces are really pretty. They look way more expensive than what I paid for them. I think I got them on sale. I think there was a little bit of a sale going on too. So that's the nice thing about H&M, that sometimes they do have like 10% off or 15% off. So we always love a good sale. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and find that helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next one.